Hello friends, Prashant Kumar from PT Care Opticals, Modinagar, District Ghaziabad. Again, this video is related to the giving answers to the question of the customers asked from me related to spectacle queries. Don't forget to subscribe my video for more videos like this. So let's start the video. And the question is, can I bring my 20 by 60 vision to 20 by 50 in 2 or 3 months, or can I at least reduce it to some extent? So it is from Renu Yadav. Renu Yadav ji, I will give answer of this question. It is totally typical to answer this question because it is depending on the eye situation. Means if your vision is 20 by 60 because of some accidental issue, or you are started your spectacle from now only, means in past you hadn't visit the eye specialist to get your eyes tested, and you find that your vision is now 20 by 60. So there are many conditions like this. If this situation is because of accidental issue, so I am assuming that, so we can't say that your vision will correct in 2 to 3 months because it is totally depending on your healing. And if this vision is because you got your eyes tested now, after many years you find that you're suffering from no vision and you visited to the eye specialist. So in this case also, you cannot get 20 by 50 vision in 2 or 3 months, or you cannot reduce it to some extent. But I can recommend you can continue your spectacles wearing continuously up to 24 hours, means reducing that sleeping part 6 to 7 or 8 hours. But you have to wear your spectacle continuously so that improvement may come. And you have to visit eye specialist in every 6 months to check the improvement. Okay, so it is totally depending on your uses and your past issues. So you need to describe or share these issues with me, then I can answer this question. Okay, so hopefully I answered this question. Now another second question is, my prescription is minus 0.75 and minus 0.50. What does it mean? Should I wear the spectacle? It means you need to wear the spectacle because prescription is started from minus 0.25, and then comes minus 0.50, then comes minus 0.75, means 25 0.25 step is counted. If your prescription says 0.75 in one eye and minus 0.50 is in another eye, you have to wear this spectacle so that this prescription or your number may not increase. Okay, and you need to go get your eye tested in every 1 year. It is compulsory to wear a spectacle, and I will recommend you to wear good lenses, at least anti-reflection lenses, and with the blue block feature. This question is from Ujala, and Miss Ujala, hopefully I answered this question, and if you have any other further query you may contact. So let's come on another question. I don't want to get this video larger, so I am going to answer one more question. My 5-year-old daughter has got minus 2.5 power in left eye, and doctor recommended glasses for her. How to improve the situation? Very nice question, Ram Babu ji. I will recommend to wear spectacle continuously because this power is in only one eye, and we call it lazy eye also in the layman language, and this is myopic condition. Your daughter should wear this 2.50 so that this will not go down more. If she will not wear this spectacle, this number will get higher and one eye will work perfectly. And this condition also called amblyopia. Okay, so I will recommend to wear this spectacle. And your question is also that how to improve this situation. It is better to wear a spectacle continuously, and I will recommend one exercise to do. If she is having minus 2.50 in left eye, then she needs to cover up one eye, right eye, and need to see with the left eye the green things and the other things. She needs to do this kind of exercise half to 1 hour, so that this eye start working. Okay, so this is the exercise to improve the left eye. But it is very necessary to do this exercise very carefully, dedicatedly. Okay, so hopefully I answered this question too. I will definitely try to cover other questions in next video. So stick with me, subscribe me. Thank you.